everyone, so I'm going to open today's January PINCHme box with you. Yeah, it finally came and I'm so glad it did. So yeah, took it a while, but yeah, I know they had a lot of samples to ship out. There were extra samples in this month's box, so yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and open it up and share with you what I got. I did go ahead and just peel the box open. Sorry if there's any glare at all. So the first thing is thinkThin Protein and Probiotics Whey, and it is a powder mix in the flavor Belgian chocolate. It sounds really good. It has protein, probiotics, fiber, and looks like you just add water to it. Yeah, so protein and probiotics. I love chocolate, so I'm really excited to give this a try. Play around with it and see how I'm going to try it. So that's the first sample. The next sample is the RXBAR in apple cinnamon raisin. Yeah, I got one of these RX bars in a PINCHme box before. It was a full size, the adult version, I guess, is what it would be. It was in blueberry. They're really good, dense, chewy. Really liked them. So yeah, excited to get this. The next sample, which is really cool because I really need to color my hair, so very happy to get this. It's from Clairol. It's nice and easy. It's a free box of hair color, and this little bit, I've never tried one of these and I've always wanted to. It's one of those hair ties that you use for ponytails and stuff to keep from getting like a kink in your hair. And I always have ponytails or whatnot, so that'll be, yeah, fun to try. That was cute that they added that in there. So there's something here. It says to rub for a floral scent. Oh yeah, that smells good. And I wonder, and I'm guessing that's what the scent of the hair color smells like, which will be nice because you know how most hair colors smell. They don't smell like roses and floral. Yeah, they smell, yeah, like chemicals, basically. So this is a free box. It's good for a free box of one Clairol Nice and Easy hair color. So I gotta hurry up and redeem that, get my hair did. Next sample. I have a $5 off of the thinkThin. You can use it at Target and the vitamin shop. It's very cool. Let's see. This is nice. This is cool looking sample here. I was excited. I was waiting for this because I was really excited to give it a try. It's the Dove Exfoliating Body Wash, Crushed Macadamia and Rice Milk. I just think this sample, the way it looks, just is, I don't know, it just looks really neat. That'll get my skin nice and soft, hopefully. Give that a try. And then there might be one more thing in here. It's kind of stuck. Yeah. We have the whole blends. Oat Delicacy soothes, hydrates, and protects. It's a shampoo and a conditioner. And I will be washing my hair, yeah, today. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I've never tried this. I haven't tried this yet. It's new. So yeah, that's the last sample in the PINCHme box. There was quite a few things. So it was very nice. Thank you so much, PINCHme, for all these free samples. I look forward to trying everything. I'll leave a link below, guys, if you want to sign up. I have a referral link if you want to sign up through that one. I would appreciate it. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Have a good day. Bye.